Before the governor spoke this afternoon, a group of minority community leaders gathered at the State House as well. They say people of color are being left behind in the vaccination process.
12 News reporter Brandon Truitt is live in Providence with what they're asking for and the governor's response. Brandon?
Well, Brian and Kim, those who spoke today were from community, medical, and religious organizations. They say the data is clear. People of color are not getting a fair shot at a vaccine.
Therefore, the issue is not hesitancy, it's access. We want access.
Calls rang out Thursday morning on the steps of the State House.
For us, people of color, receiving the vaccination and the vaccination process is slow, cumbersome, and difficult.
Data from the Rhode Island Department of Health shows the coronavirus has not impacted everyone the same. White Rhode Islanders make up the majority of COVID deaths, but those have been mostly concentrated inside nursing homes, which were prioritized first for vaccines. People of color, meanwhile, make up about a third of the state's population, but account for 41% of positive cases and 40% of hospitalizations. Yet state vaccine distribution data shows us just 19% of the doses given out so far have gone to people of color.
It's people having a sense of hopelessness that they're not going to have a chance to have the vaccine in the first place.
This group is calling for a mass vaccination site or designated doses specifically for people of color. Governor Dan McKee saying he hears the calls for more equity.
If, for instance, the black community is at 3% of the shots and they're at 8% of the 8% of the population, we got to ratchet that up. I think everybody would understand that.
Leaders here saying they plan to help pull it all off.
That if we need transportation hubs, we will staff them. That if we need to mount people on buses and get those buses to whatever real estate we're given, we'll do the work. Just give us the space.
And some of those who spoke today met with the governor just before today's briefing. At this point, it's unclear what a designated mass vaccination site would ultimately look like or when one could open. Live in Providence, Brandon Truitt, 12 News.